Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
To start screen recording on your iPhone 15, open Settings first. Tap Control Center to view available controls you can add. Scroll down and find Screen Recording in the More Controls list. Tap the green plus icon to add screen recording to included controls. Return to the home screen or the app you want to record before starting. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. If you need microphone audio, press and hold the record icon to adjust. To begin recording, open Control Center from the top right corner. Tap the circular screen recording icon once to start the 3-second countdown. The recorder captures screen video and system audio when allowed by the app. To include your voice, press and hold the record icon before starting and enable microphone. A red pill appears in the status area while recording is in progress. Rotate your iPhone to record in landscape when you need wider framing for video. When you finish, open Control Center and tap the red record icon to stop. Alternatively, tap the red status indicator and choose Stop from the confirmation dialog. The recording saves automatically to Photos and appears in Recents within seconds. Open Photos to trim the start or end using the Edit Trim handles. Share directly from Photos using AirDrop, Messages, Mail, or Cloud services. Large recordings can use storage. A 10-minute 1080p file may be ~200 MB. Delete unwanted recordings by selecting Delete and confirming removal from your library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.